Hello, animal lovers. Welcome to our fun-filled journey through the animal kingdom. Today, you're about to discover 20 amazing animals and the unique sounds they make along with the names of their sounds. Can you guess the animal just by its sound? Let's find out together. Here's what's coming up. We'll introduce each animal with its picture, play its sound, and share a cool fun fact. And stick around for our quick quiz at the end. Challenge yourself and see how many you remember. 1 dog, bark/woof. Our first friend is the loyal dog. Listen to that bark. Dogs use it to express excitement or to alert their family. 2 cat, meow. The friendly feline. Cats meow mainly to say hello, or maybe feed me, please. 3 cow moo. Here comes the gentle cow. Their hearty moo calls are used to communicate with their herd, especially when they're hungry or relaxed. 4 pig oink. Oink oink. Pigs are full of personality, using a range of grunts and oinks to express joy, surprise, or even curiosity. 5 sheep baa. Listen to those gentle baas. Sheep usually bleat when they're young or communicating with the flock. 6 duck quack. Quack quack. Ducks quack to connect with their pond buddies and show they're having a fun time splashing about. 7 rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rise and shine. Roosters crow every morning to mark the start of a new day and guard their territory. 8 horse neigh. Listen to the noble sound of a horse's neigh. It's their way of greeting and communicating with the herd. 9 lion roar. A roar that echoes across the plains. Lions roar to claim their territory and signal strength. 10 elephant trumpet. Feel the power as the elephant trumpets. This deep, resonant call can be heard for miles, expressing excitement or alerting the herd. 11 frog croak. Ribbit ribbit. Frogs croak to attract mates and to mark their territory near the water. 12 bee buzz. Listen closely to the busy buzz of a bee. It's not only a sign of hard work, but also a way to communicate inside the hive. 13 bird. Chirp/tweet. Let these cheerful chirps lift your spirit. Birds chirp for many reasons, from calling to their mates to simply sharing a joyful song. 14 snake hiss. Listen carefully. The snake's hiss is a warning sign to potential intruders. 15 donkey bray. Hee-haw. The donkey's bray is its way of calling out to its friends and keeping in touch with the herd. 16 monkey chatter. Chatter. Monkeys are always full of energy, using their playful sounds to socialize and express excitement. 17 wolf howl. Hear that? Wolves howl to bring the pack together and to send messages over long distances. 18. Bear growl. A gentle warning. Bears growl when they're feeling threatened or even sometimes when they're just playing around. 19. Seal. Bark. Listen up. Seals use barks to communicate when they're on land, just as cute as they sound. 20. Turkey. Gobble. Especially popular during seasonal celebrations. They use this sound to call for a mate. Now it's your turn. I'll play a sound. Can you guess which animal it belongs to? Listen carefully. Great job if you guessed correctly. And let us know in the comments which animal sound is your favorite. Let's quickly review our animal friends. From the dog's woof to the turkey's gobble. We hope these sounds made you smile and learn something new. Remember, repetition helps you remember. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure through the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed learning these fun sounds, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome videos. Have a favorite animal sound? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Click here to watch top 10 most mysterious creatures of the deep sea.